Hey everyone, so this is called Jupyter Notebook. It's open source software used to run Python code along with some explanations and markdown. It's quite popular in the machine learning and scientific community. So to install this we need Conda or Mamba or Pip if you are familiar with any one of those. I will use Conda because I'm familiar with it. So I go to their site. So there is Miniconda and Anaconda packages. I will pick Miniconda because it's much more minimal. I think Anaconda should take like 3 gigabytes on your system. Well, here is the system requirements if you want to take a look at them, but I'm sure it will run on most modern systems if you have at least 4 gigabytes of RAM. Well, here is the installer links for Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. There is also another versions if you want a specific one. So I will grab mine, which is Windows 64 bits. Now run the installer. Go on with next. Agree to the conditions. Leave everything as the default. After it's finished installing, you can open your start menu and find the Anaconda prompt. Now you can check your installation by typing Conda list. If you can see this on your terminal screen, that means that Anaconda is properly installed. Now you can copy the code to install the notebook. It will take some time, so leave it. Hit yes, Y for yes. Now it will download the necessary packages for it to complete the install. Nice. Now after it finished installing, you can run the lab using this command, Jupyter Lab. So copy it and paste it in the Anaconda prompt. Now it will open in your default browser. So basically this runs a live server on your machine. As you can see, this is the lab. You can browse files, create new ones. Now let me create a notebook. Let's type something to test it out. I forgot to add this. If you want to install the classical Jupyter Notebook, you have to type this command to install it. Since I'm using Conda, I'll use this command. So to run it, come down here. Yeah, you need to type Jupyter white space notebook. Yeah, here as you can see, it's launched my browser. And yeah, here it is. This is the classical Jupyter notebook for those who want to use it. Also, if you didn't know, you can open notebooks in your VS Code, Visual Studio Code, which is a really cool thing. Here, as you can see, it has a similar interface to Jupyter Lab, where you can edit your code, run it, and everything. Anyway, thanks guys for watching. See you next time.